In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit members in Microsoft Planner. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add new people to a plan and how to remove existing members when they no longer need access. We'll go step by step, and I'll point out a few things to watch for so everything goes smoothly. Let's start with adding new members to a plan. First, open Microsoft Planner and navigate to the specific plan where you want to manage members. Make sure you're actually inside the plan itself, not just looking at the overall Planner hub. Once you're in the plan, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Members. Click that Members button. This opens a small panel that shows you everyone who currently has access to the plan. This is also where you can invite new people. In the Members panel, you'll see a field where you can type in a name or an email address. Go ahead and start typing the name or email of the person you want to add. As you type, Planner will search your organization's directory and show you a list of matching people. When you see the correct person appear, click their name in the list to select them. After selecting them, you should see an option to invite. Click Invite to finish adding that person to the plan. Once you've done that, the new member will be associated with the plan and will show up in the member list. They'll be able to see the plan, be assigned tasks, and collaborate with everyone else. If you're adding several people, just repeat the same process. Type their name or email, select them from the suggestions, and click Invite. Now let's go through how to remove members from a plan. This is useful when someone changes teams, finishes their part of the project, or simply no longer needs access. Start by selecting the plan where you want to remove a member. You can do this from the Planner Hub or from wherever you access your existing plans. Once again, make sure you're actually inside that specific plan. You can also start this process from a particular task within the plan, but the key is that you're working within the correct plan. Look below the title of the plan or task. You'll see the Members button there again. Click the Members button to open the list of people who currently have access. Scroll through this list until you find the person you want to remove from the plan. Next to each person's name, you may see a small X icon. When you find the person you want to remove, click the X next to their name. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to remove them. Go ahead and select Remove to confirm. Once you do this, that person will no longer be a member of the plan and will lose access to it. If you don't see an X next to someone's name, that usually means you don't have the right level of permissions to remove members. In Microsoft Planner, only people with owner permissions for the group can manage membership. If that's the case, you'll need to contact someone who is an owner and ask them to remove the member for you. And that's it. You've learned how to add new members and remove existing ones in Microsoft Planner, giving you better control over who can see and collaborate on your plans.